show you the all-new VF2 Commodore. What we have here is the brand new SSV Redline with the LS3 engine from the HSVs. 304 kilowatts, 570 newton meters of torque. We have the additional feature here of the rear Brembo brakes, which you didn't have on the Series 1. Alright guys, we're now inside the all-new Redline and we're going to take it for a nice little test drive. We're going to see what it's all about. Woo! It's a lot of power there. Might have to go for one more lap.
Drop the windows so you hear the noise, yeah. Back on soon.
You can definitely feel the difference. You get this tingling feeling down your spine. Words can't describe what it's all about. Especially with that new, the new Ultra suspension, FE3 Ultra suspension. It's a totally different drive. Before you could feel all the bumps. It's just so smooth. The beauty of the new VF Series 2 is Pandora. The Redline that we're driving right now has a premium upgrade Bose sound system. Let's get some music going, guys. We also have the luxury of a sunroof. As you can tell, the interior is full of luxury. Full leather interior, suede inserts across the dash, the doors, full 8-inch touchscreen, which you have your reverse camera, reverse sensors and front sensors. Bluetooth, iPod, USB, full options, satellite navigation, Pandora Stitcher and USB connectivity. Not to mention the heads-up display, which you might not be able to see right now, but I can see it. It's in direct line of sight. It's extremely clear, and it's a great safety feature as well. You need to make sure you stick to the speed limits when you have this much power. Back at the dealership after the test drive. Music's still going. Got the beauty of the reverse sensors and the reverse camera. Alright guys, thanks for coming on the drive. As you can tell, the all new VF2, especially this one right here, the SSV Redline, is full of class, luxury and power, putting out 304 kilowatts, 570 newton meters of torque. The design is to die for.